Determine the limit of the following expression. Oh, the limit as x goes to infinity. Oof, that's a nice one. So 4 times infinity plus 3. That's going to be infinity. Over 2 times infinity. Well, that's also going to be infinity. Okay, so again, we don't know which way it's going to go. So let's try some factoring. Limit as x goes to infinity. Actually, with these types of problems, factoring is not going to really help because we're always going to have these x goes to infinities. What we really want to have is we want to have 1 over infinity because this one approaches 0. Okay, if you have 1 over a very, very large number, then it goes to 0. So this is what we actually want to do here, is we want to multiply the top and bottom by 1 over x. Whenever you're dealing with 1s to infinity, you want to multiply the top and bottom by 1 over whatever the highest power is to make sure that all x's go in the denominator. So let's multiply this 1 over x times the top and bottom. So the first one here is going to be, well, x's will cancel, so you're just left with 4 plus you're going to have 3 over x. And then all over this x's will cancel, you have 2. Okay, so now you have no more x's in the numerator side, you only have them in the denominator because we took the highest power of x and multiplied everything by the reciprocal of that, or 1 over the highest power of x. In that case, it was just 1. And now if we plug in x into infinity, we are going to get this guy because 3 over infinity is going to go to 0. So our answer will be 2. 4 divided by 2 is going to be 2. Okay, let's try with the table of values. So we can only really go from the negative side for infinity because it's just a graph that looks like this. And we were asking what happens when x goes to infinity. Okay, so we can't really come from this side. So we can only really come from the negative side. So let's try a table of values here. And we'll try, first thing, let's try 100. So 4 times 100 plus 3 divided by bracket open 2 times 100 is 2.015. Okay, let's try 100,000. 4 times 100,000 plus 3 divided by bracket open 2 times 100,000 bracket closed is 2.000015. And I can already kind of see where this is going. So yes, this will be approaching 2.